Play.ht review. Play.ht is an AI-powered text-to-speech platform designed for content creators, marketers, and educators who need high-quality voiceovers, podcasts, or audiobook narration. It offers a wide range of realistic voices in multiple languages, making it ideal for anyone who wants to generate audio content quickly and efficiently. The platform stands out due to its AI-driven technology, providing lifelike voiceovers that sound natural and engaging. Play.ht's user-friendly interface allows you to easily convert text into speech, adjust tone and pitch, and even fine-tune the pronunciation of specific words. One of the standout features is its wide variety of voices, from standard to premium, and the ability to select voice styles based on the content's needs. Whether it's conversational, formal, or energetic, the platform supports both single and batch text-to-speech conversion, making it efficient for handling multiple scripts at once. You can upload text directly or integrate with platforms like WordPress, making it a flexible tool for content creators. Play.ht also provides the option to export audio in high-quality MP3 or WAV formats, which is perfect for podcasting or voiceover work. If you're producing audio for YouTube videos or educational material, the ability to easily adjust the voice speed, pitch, and emphasis ensures your audio aligns perfectly with your visual content. For those using Play.ht for professional applications, the premium voices are a notable advantage, offering enhanced clarity and nuance, which is crucial for commercial-level audio production. Moreover, the platform's subscription plans cater to various needs, from hobbyists to businesses, ensuring you only pay for the features you need. A standout in the crowded text-to-speech market, Play.ht provides an impressive balance of usability and customization options, which makes it an excellent tool for anyone looking to add high-quality voiceover to their digital content. In conclusion, Play.ht delivers a straightforward, powerful text-to-speech solution with a focus on high-quality audio production, ease of use, and flexibility. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or educator, Play.ht is an excellent choice for generating professional-grade voiceovers quickly and easily.